Tomorrow now they will say POP collapse, but animal they stay inside.
Hello my people, how na dey host una dey fine. This video una just watch, so I go put am for una. I'm gonna watch the full video. This video na Lagos na for happen. Person give somebody house to, that is person rent a house, new house for that matter. He give her to rent. As dem wan comot, see the way dem mess up the area. The house be like some house wey be say na old house and na new house. So una go see all the video I put am for now. You see this thing wey happen, so my people, this is the reason why e be say some of our people for here e dey happen for abroad. Why e be say dem no dey give dem house to rent. Yes, they go get their money, they go get their documents. E dey hard before you go see say they can't see person wey give dem house to rent. Why? Most of our people, if dem dey cook, you see that thing wey be say you go on make air dey bring wetin the odor, everything, make dey do the smoke, everything dey bring am out. They no dey even on am sef. Some go even on am, dem go like open close everywhere. You understand? All this thing wey be say take cook, everything go dey inside. And that thing wey be say e dey come dey house when dem dey call mufa, you know, that thing wey dey stay for war. I no can remember the name again. When they stay for war. Now all these things na dey cost am. And most of our people, if they break, they no dey open their house make breeze enter, because of say they will say cold too much, they will lock everywhere. You wey dey inside that house, e get the kind odor wey that house get. You wey dey, you no know. You see person wey dey for outside, when you come inside your house, e go notice am say some odor dey. That odor na odor of where you take the lock am, no fresh air wey be say the house dey take, and the thing go dey affect all the wall wey be say dey inside your house. Now these things na cause am wey be say some of our people they no dey see house. You say how I say no? I get my husband family wey be say dem be agents, okay? They no dey gree to give most of our people. Why? Because they say if dem comot the house, na another money they want come to repair everything. The odor and all these things wey be say they stay for war. You understand? So now they cause am, and the damage wey they constantly damage your house, all those things is still there. Even though say they even pay like a deposit for grant, that deposit you go even spend, they no go even reach you. So some people they'll come decide say they know they rent to our black people. Not be all, some of them wey be say if they do that thing, I make am you see some of our people, go get document, get paper, but if they squad with somebody, give am one room, he get the money, but to see houses to rent, it go come be problem. Like this one now wey be say happen for Lagos now. This house na new house wey be say this person just rent am out. You see the reason why be say people no dey want make dem dey rent house out. They just feel to lock am, because if you can't give some ungrateful people wey be say they no know how they take make that money to build that house, they go put that house upside down. Even the deposit wey be say they pay, e no go even reach you say repair your house. As I watch this video now, say make I bring am come. This thing na see the same thing wey dey happen for abroad for here. When you go even be say they'll come, if they want come up for the house, they'll say they need their deposit. The owner will say e no dey give, because wait, the damage wey e dey for that house, even your own deposit, e no go reach am to repair the house. Some of them they'll come carry themselves go court. Now court na go come decide wetin dem wan do, come show everything wey be say e spoil for the house. Like this one now wey be say they give new house for Lagos, new house, so e no feel like maintain the house. So the person come provoke, come they do this video, say make una see the way be say they take damage this house. New house, they just newly buy am for Lagos, then give am to rent, to make them take stay. They even go reach the door hand, then destroy everything. Why some people be like this? If something spoil for house, because na normal thing say something fit spoil for house, call the owner, tell am say see wetin spoil. If the owner not there, you fit repair am, show am video, say this thing is spoil, I put am back. Oh, e go comot am for im money. So no go do, they go just pieces everything go destroy. Even go reach the inside that house, if you no paint am, another person no fit enter. I don't know why e be like that. So as I see this video, I say make I bring am come. This the same thing na dey happen for here, where be say our people they no dey feel they give the house again, because of the way they say they do house. person wey be say e suffer buy house, e can't put you make you dey for rent. E not do bad thing, but if you spoil the house, now that one na not come good. Now money na you take buy that house, and wetin you destroy now, the deposit no go even reach to do anything. Why e be like that? You see una wey be say dey here, wey be say they look for house, una dey look for rent, una dey find house dey go, they not gree, they not dey gree, they give una. Now because of all these things, they say all those smell, all those cooking of a thing, e go dey for the house for many years. And when somebody go enter, I don't know whether I don't notice, if you go greet some of our people, if you just dey read their domot, the kind hair of smell wey go come, oh my God, no matter how the perfume where you go put, because why? That smell of every day, that odor of every day, it don't dey for there, no go comment again. It just be like when you put a cloth now, cloth where you wash, you go tie and put for somewhere for many months. If you go bring am, e no go scent that scent where be say you wash and keep for there. Because why? Hair not the person. No hair, nothing, e lock for one place. Now so house e be. So that house go come be like say something where be say it can't spoil. Anyway, may I put this video for now, make una watch. Some people make una change una way. This money, then they suffer to see if person give you house, maintain am the way you take maintain your own. Not destroy and can't give the owner, say not concern yourself. It's very bad though. There is God in anything. You will not feel repair another person. Now your own, now you go say you want to repair, make come good for you. If you destroy person, somebody go still destroy your own. Una bye bye. Please send me to love and like and share this video for me. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye bye.
Some tenants are useless.
Just evicted these tenants through court order. But you see, when we collect caution fee, some of you will be opening your mouth to say nonsense about caution fee. Can you take a look at what they did to someone's property? Turning this particular section into a bakery. Let's go and check inside. See, this is where somebody's staying now. Turn somebody's house into a bakery, a residential house for that matter. See, tomorrow now they will say POP collapse, but animal they stay inside. The thing they get leakage. You know if you feel someone, no if you call the landlord. Just take a look at someone's kitchen. Take a look at someone's house. Before you people will open your mouth to be complaining that you are collecting caution fee. This one they turned there to complete bakery. See, glasses all over the places. Just take a look at someone's room. See, someone's room. For caution fee, how much caution fee is there to pay? I just feel like posting this animal's picture, but I will not do that. Just take a look at. See, destroy the doors. Take a look at the shower. Destroyed everything. For caution fee of 250,000 naira we will pay. See, wardrobes. Almost all the door handles. All the door handles, both the wardrobe. And this house was given to him as a brand new house. Okay, this one is still here. See. Let me see who will come and tell me that I should stop collecting caution fee. But I'm not going to swear for you. Take a look at this one. See. See window. Spoil window for new house where they give you. Upon that, you refuse paying house rent. See the staircase lights there. They remove everything.